In this video, we will discuss about ChatGPT and how it's useful. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 family of large language models and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype in November 2022 and quickly garnered attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. Its uneven factual accuracy was identified as a significant drawback. In the case of supervised learning, the model was provided with conversations in which the trainers played both sides, the user and the AI assistant. In the reinforcement step, human trainers first ranked responses that the model had created in a previous conversation. These rankings were used to create reward models that the model was further fine-tuned on using several iterations of proximal policy optimization. ChatGPT has gone viral since OpenAI released the text-based artificial intelligence tool last month. It's the latest development in the world of generative AI, which has attracted billions of dollars in funding from tech investors. ChatGPT, as currently conceived, is a parlor trick, said Bernd Ehlert, a vice president at Gartner. ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way, the dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT is the sibling model to InstructGPT, which is trained to follow an instruction, a prompt, and provide a detailed response. Chatbots are primarily used to enhance customer experience by offering 24/7 customer support, but in a cost-effective manner. Businesses have also started using chatbots to serve internal customers with knowledge sharing and routine tasks. A chatbot powered by artificial intelligence is called as ChatGPT, is totally free to use. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that can do pretty much everything. It can code, it can write articles, it can help you decorate your home, even it can make up a recipe, and the list goes on.